In 2008, Caucus was established by the best engineers in the field of reel in Korea. Caucus manufactures and exports to more than 20 countries around the world through specialized design of bait reels and spinning reels. It is now launching domestic products in the domestic market based on accumulated know-how and proven technology. T3, the state-of-the-art reel with a beautiful exterior design, is a new bait reel from Caucus with a magnetic brake system. After frame plating, iron coating improves corrosion and strength. The handle knob is adopted for optimum grip. And the long star application makes drag operation easy. In addition, by applying 8 bearings with corrosion resistance, a stronger and smoother reeling sensitivity is used. And a strong drag force of 11 kilograms is secured by minimizing drag deviation, ensuring stable tightening in any situation. Based on the best technology so far, Caucus is a leading new fishing culture and fishing future. Caucus now operates a Cremon shopping mall and website to grant easier access to good products and provide various information on reels. We continue to meet the needs and desires of anglers. Caucus.